Hello everyone, I'm running the trains again. Thanks for coming in tonight. This is a train run and a layout update. As you can see, I've got tanker cars on the train set. So are you ready? There it is. I've got 9 of my 10 switches hooked up. Just have to convert this one here to LED, and then we'll have all of the switches done. The next step is to wire the isolated sections in, and on this layout here there's 11 isolated sections that are coming in on these wires here. 5 here, 5 here, and this one red wire, which is going to run across the Impossible Bridge. And out here on the Impossible Bridge, we've got the one crane's working on getting things set up. So let me show you what we got here. And here's my sneak peek for an Arduino project. It was also a sneak peek on my finger on the camera. But right here, I've got an opto coupler. So I'm trying to isolate the signals from the Lionel track voltage into this ESP32 computer by a expressive system. So it's like the Arduino's, what the Arduino is going to turn into. So if we watch that LED shift back and forth there, I'll be able to detect that on this microcomputer and then send the results right in here into my phone where I'm doing that. So I'm going to bring the train around onto the blue line, and he's on this white industrial line here. And when he comes around this time, he's going to automatically trigger this switch, which will trigger my opto coupler. So coming up very shortly. And the only thing that kept me from getting the Arduino hooked up tonight was my wife's on the laptop writing a newsletter for her nonprofit that she's runs. So, but yeah, that is really, gotta move that Bud Light can and it comes back into the video. So I'm gonna put them back out on the Impossible Bridge. So there we are. There's our train run, and it wouldn't be a train run if we didn't try and get some speed. But first, I'm gonna run them through this industrial section here. So he's going up onto the white line. I think you can see that's white. And right there I got a so the white line's lit up. That's white. That's white. Those two are blue. They don't come through as good on the video as I'd like them to. But I'm going to take them out now onto the full blue line. So I've got blue, blue. That light right there is going to change to blue coming up automatically. Yeah, you just have to love these 022 switches, the way they do that. But they're a bugger to film. Have to get back a little ways, or I get a lot of interference. And I'm going to set these all 3 to go back. Still working out the bugs on these lights. I don't know why my green light didn't light up. The green light's burned out. There, it's coming back. So, but underneath here, it's really clean in the setup. everything's coming through. And so I've got 10 switches. I need 2 of these for each switch. So I'll have, oh geez, we just lost a car. Oh, car came off the track. What's going on? Look at that. Oh no. I'm gonna have to pause for a second while I get the train re-railed. Yep, it wouldn't be a live broadcast without a derailment there. I took the car that derailed off the track, and he's got a strike against him now. So, but let's go back here to this thing and watch this guy re-rail. Awesome. And this is going to be the perfect meld of... I got another car came off the track. What is going on? It must be Halloween. Oh no, there's a spider bug on the track and a crazy house there. That's what's going on. 2 derailments, and that's another thing too. This crazy track voltage that's flashing on and off, it won't, this device here will protect the computer. That's all this board does, is protect the computer from dangerous voltages. So the voltage on this side of the board, on the right side of the board here, is completely isolated optically from this side of the board over here. So the microcomputer stays safe. So you know, well-designed system, you don't need to worry about how fast. I worry about all these new train layouts where they're worried about their fast-acting diodes. Well, if you had a good design, you wouldn't have to worry about that. And I'm back, and I was talking about the well-designed system, how you wouldn't have to worry about you know, your fast-acting thing there. But it cost a lot of money to put stuff like this in front of your computer circuit. So they decided, the manufacturers decided, oh, we'll just put a real fast-acting thing in front of our computer. And I took another car off the track. This is how I rank them. It's like kind of a last man standing kind of deal. But I'm going to get them up to speed here, and we'll call it a night after I do a pan shot. All right, that's it, everyone. Have a great weekend.